What's up, Guru Gang? Welcome to the Inner Sanctum. I'm Yoda Guru. Come on in, sit, stay, relax, put your feet up, grab a couple snacks, have yourself out a cold beverage, your choice, your prerogative. My sanctum is your sanctum. Enjoy my reaction to episodes number 7, 8, and 9. Episode number 7, The Smuggler. Episode 8, Birds of Paradise. And episode number 9, Black. This is season 3 of Star Wars Visions. Looking forward to checking out and reacting to the final 3 episodes of 7, 8, and 9 to Star Wars Vision Season 3. So let's not waste any time and get into the reaction of these episodes. Before I do, if you enjoyed any of my content, whether it be my Inner Sanctum channel or YG Anime channel for all things anime, link right up there. Check that out, help support both channels. And like I said, if you enjoyed either content for your channel, make sure hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell in order to be notified of any future videos being posted on either channel. And you should know by now all my links located underneath this video in the description section, one of them being my early access to my Patreon, only $3. Check that out. And with that said, let's get into episodes number 7, 8, and 9, starting off with episode 7, The Smuggler, alright? Here we go.
The planet
Senorita.
For many peaceful generations, it prospered under the rule of its kings. The royal family began to question the state of the galaxy. The royal family found themselves imprisoned for conspiracy against the Empire. A puppet regime was subsequently established. Only one member of the royalty was able to evade capture, Prince Arlo.
Prince Arlo.
The Empire is now in relentless pursuit.
He's a smuggler? Maybe a Han Solo type.
Backend! The systems on my ship won't turn on, so what's the deal?
Yeah, of course they won't. I locked you out of them.
Ooh.
What? Hey, quit screwing around!
Pay for those refurbished thrusters. That's when you get your ship back.
I already paid you!
That was the old price for parts and labor. It's twice that now.
Up in the price.
You're rip-off. Now you're asking for more?
If you want to complain, then why don't you take it up with the Empire? What's wrong?
Magic words, in a sense. Go up against the Empire.
I didn't do anything wrong.
You Slimo!
Uh-oh. Backup arrived.
I haven't sold you out to the Empire because I'm a nice guy, and I respect your skills. Just pay up and I'll unlock your ship's systems.
Yeah, and it's next to the Empire. That's good, I guess.
Pardon me. You seem to be in a bit of trouble there.
And you are?
Someone who may be of help to you depending on where this chat leads. Perhaps we can strike a deal exchanged for the transport of certain cargo.
What cargo?
1,000 credits upon delivery.
10,000?
Money.
Really? Cargo must be pretty important then.
Yes.
What is it and where is it going?
Human cargo?
And the destination is any system outside of Imperial control.
It's a deal. Gozen, you've got a job, so get back to the ship. We're gonna be transporting 2 passengers off Senorita. They're paying us 10,000 credits.
100,000? That's crazy!
So they raised Prince Arlo's bounty again.
Still, I really doubt he's walking around in that royal getup.
Greedo?
Gozen!
Oh,
what
Gozen.
are you doing? Huh?
The Empire.
It would be wise if we didn't linger here for too long. I have received confirmation that your ship's systems are unlocked now, but it would appear that reaching it will be quite the difficult task.
Also, we have one more problem. My co-pilot just bailed on us.
I can take his place.
Huh?
I have a pilot's license, specifically for Republic cruisers. Might that be of any use?
I think that'll work.
He's the other person you'll be transporting.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Same here.
Now we only need a way to board the ship.
Boy, if we had
Is
to
that the prince?
I believe that we may be able to gain entry into Hangar Bay 51 through the maintenance tunnels.
Really?
I know the path well. I often used it to sneak out, or rather to sneak in for some additional piloting practice.
That's the prince, all
We
right.
should hurry.
Changed his look.
What's going on?
Let's find out.
Hey, wait!
Empire
It's the Empire.
arresting people.
They're going out there and arresting everyone around your age. Anyone who looks like Prince Alo.
Hmm.
And you fit the bill.
Oh, you've got the wrong person. That's my son you're taking. How can he be the prince?
Dreadful.
It's just a normal day for the Empire. We better get out of here. Huh?
Disappeared.
Mother! Hey! Why'd you push her?
Oh, that's not good.
Away!
Oh,
Mother!
Enough of this!
Stop this!
well, there you go. It's defending the people. I guess that woman worked for the royal family.
We've encountered resistance and back up immediately!
Oh,
Thank.
I can't believe my eyes. Prince Otto?
I am.
uh-oh, they're all dealing.
You have to leave now.
My mother's right. They'll be back before long. But what of you? Don't worry, we can manage.
All their concern is for the prince's safety. Oh,
Hey! Use this to get away!
Thanks a lot! Hang on! I never guessed you were the prince this whole time.
going
need to
straight,
lead the way.
straight towards the walker.
That's not smart.
They're a bit slow, yeah.
Looks like we lost it.
Nope. That's not good.
Who the hell is that guy?
Unfortunately, it's a bounty hunter.
Oh yeah, bounty hunter.
We jump!
Jump!
Jump. Yeah. Drastic measures. Dukes of Hazzard style. It's a risky move, but they pulled it off. Oh, right. That's not good.
We're all right.
Are you Prince Alo?
I am.
What?
He's mine. Why don't you just come
Stay out of the way.
away?
I refuse.
Figures.
Things aren't looking too good right now.
Stay back, both of you.
What is she gonna
What's your
do?
plan?
Well,
We break through.
We break through?
oh. Ooh. Jedi? Yep. Jedi.
Where'd he go?
It would appear he fled.
Hmm. Part
This mean
part
you're
android.
This way! Oh, systems are good! You got this?
It's an older model. I've never flown one. But it'll do.
Stellar!
Right on their tail.
Something's on our rear.
It's the bounty hunter.
Mhm.
Be able to shake them off when we hit hyperspace.
I don't think that will work.
Why not?
Because there's an Imperial Star Destroyer blocking our flight path.
That's
What?
not good.
How'd they find us so fast? It's way too big to avoid. We'll just slip around the rear.
We can't do that.
Why not?
Yeah, that's why.
Boys,
Missiles! They're locking on.
I know!
Now it looks like Mando's ship.
More missiles.
I'll put them to use. Full power to engines!
Took out the TIE fighters. Right there. Nice escape. Are they in Yavin?
Did you honestly intend to leave without even so much as a goodbye?
Glinu,
That's fine.
you plan to take Senorita back. You'll need money for that, right?
I suppose so.
To tell the truth, the Empire also made a mess of my planet, and my family right along with it. Glinu, you're a Jedi, aren't you?
That's all in the past now.
Part android.
On the day of that great
Oh, arm. He's like an android
I
arm.
wasn't able to save my fellow Jedi. I would have shared their fate.
Order 66.
I had no choice but to unseal my saber when we escaped. You're here at last.
Thank you for delaying her departure, Glinu. Isn't it rather cold of you to leave without saying a word?
Oh, no, I wasn't trying to be cold or anything.
More to the point,
Hold on, what point?
I actually have another job for you.
Proposal.
I need you now more than ever. I want you to come with us.
Oh.
I wish to liberate the youth
Oh,
of Senorita.
no, you're not proposing.
So we can join the rebellion. We need a skilled smuggler.
Smuggler. Okay, here they go.
Well then, shall we go?
You go.
Female version of Han Solo. More 3D style. Lightsaber fight.
You had me fooled with that fancy lightsaber! I thought you were an actual Jedi, but you're just a student! You're better with an insult than a weapon! How very un-Jedi-like of you!
Ooh.
Master!
Nakime, your haste betrays you. Surrendering to the heat of emotion in battle. Focus on the precepts, Padawan.
Traverse all moments with a serenity of heart. I know!
Teacher and student versus Sith.
Nakime, do not let emotion rule over you.
What a burden. I'll put her out of her misery!
Looks like an Inquisitor.
I've taken out villains like her without any help at all.
Nakime!
Oh, overzealous.
Master?
Can't see.
So cold. I have no idea where I am, and I can't see anything. Why
Yeah,
can't
she's blind.
Master!
I think she lost her vision in that battle. Either that or her life is hanging in the balance.
If the Sith comes after me now, I'm dead. This is it, right? She's on her way here.
It's stuck in a rock. It's broken.
Huh? It's broken?
Mhm.
No way!
Don't get all too emotional.
A person. No. A statue.
Use the Force instead of your eyes.
Please help me, I beg of you.
Calm yourself.
I just want to live.
There we go.
These lights. Are they from you? If this is a trick, I'm not okay with it.
How many days is she down there?
Raindrops. The sky is open above me.
Learning to see without sight. Yeah, it's just a work in progress.
A river? No, or a pond?
Ooh, bad water?
What is that on your face? Not yet. My life can't end like this.
Ooh, all the colors. It's our companion.
Daruma!
Daruma.
Master, I don't understand what you're trying to say! Master! I'm right here!
Nakime, trust in the Force and its energy, which binds all living things.
Don't lecture me! I need something I can actually use!
Trust in the Force.
I wish it would have told me what I'm supposed to do.
Is trying to.
How long have I been walking for? I've made it this far, but I can't.
Yeah, much to learn, young Padawan.
You're right. I can go on. You would know. The ways of life are no mystery to an old tree like you.
He's starting to learn.
That foul water. No. I don't want to die.
Master! Can you hear my voice? Don't go!
There's nobody here.
Why haven't they found me already? It's not fair! I'm the
Take and get control of your emotions.
The darkness, is it here for me?
Master! Did she strike you down?
Seeing herself.
Have I been dead all along, stumbling through the world as a lost soul?
Day 4.
Shut up.
He's hungry.
Even if I could find something to feed myself, it's only putting off the inevitable. Let me cling to a shred of hope. This was only a few months ago. I was so eager for what lay ahead. On that day, the future I glimpsed was so bright with possibility. Oh, my poor little Padawan. Allow your fear and your anger to claim you. If you don't give in to them, you're going to die, and you wouldn't want that, would you? Master told me over and over that I can't keep making decisions for my own benefit. Sense of self is my undoing. It was easy to fall to the dark side. Join me, and I will set you free.
She's struggling.
It was all in my head!
A battle between dark and light within her.
You have done well to fight me.
No, I just heard a voice.
Then
A salamander.
to shoo away that wrong-headed belief at
A
once.
Yoda-like
They're
salamander.
the same fallible flaps that they ever were.
I just thought I was getting used to losing my sight.
As you travel the path of knowledge,
Or a frog.
your connection to the Force grows stronger. It is your heart that is blind. Why lament your eyes? Arrogance has hobbled you. Cast it aside. You will never take a false step if you let it guide you.
Huh?
Let the Force guide you.
Force, show me the way.
No, not here. True vision flows from beyond the stars to part the veil.
Meditate.
But you cannot partake of such clarity till you are one with the current.
Ow! I'm freezing! What is this
Not
supposed to
literally.
understand? Why am I drowning myself like this?
Don't take it literally. It's like she's in a giant painting within her mind.
I want to live. As long as I have this, no one can defeat me.
What's the matter? Come on, kill me if you even can! All that fire
She's giving
inside,
in to emotions.
let it burn.
He's falling to the dark side.
Me, little girl? Do you hate me? Say it. Yes, I fear you. And I despise you! You are... Come on then. Tear your life back from the edge of the abyss. Revel in the freedom of your hatred and your rage. What hideous part of me are you? You're my...
Dark side.
My immaturity.
Immaturity.
My impulsiveness. My ego and my
Anger.
fear of death. Kill me!
Let
and
it
you
all
will
go.
live. Why don't you strike me down? Why didn't you block my attack? Answer me! The Jedi taught me their ways, but I never truly believed in them. I was bound by my own desires. My heart, my resolve, my purpose was weak. That's why
She's
everything
learning.
I feared became my foe. Now I see the two of us were never foes to begin with. You're a part of me and I of you. Shut up! Yes, Master. Traverse all moments with a serenity of heart. I shall. Do not let emotion rule over you.
She has her lightsaber back.
Death will terrify me.
One with
I
the
would
Force.
rather lose my life than lose hope, like a Sith.
Finally listening.
No, I want to live. I can't die like this. This isn't fair. I know because you're me. Letting go is hard. Goodbye, my weakness. It's time to move on. I can feel it. Master's lesson. I'm alive.
No, she wasn't dead. Or clinging to life. But she is blind.
May I always be at one with the Force.
Oh. She can see. But what about her master? That's it? What happened to the other fight going on? Alright. Oh, it's space battle. It's a New Hope? Okay. Oh. This animation style. Zombies? Like psychedelic colors. Revenge of the Sith. What is going on? This is weird. Can't take my eyes off it though. Like a one-armed stormtrooper. What was he repeating? Okay. These stormtroopers out of uniform. When they're not on duty, I guess. Is he remembering back? Reflecting on his life before his death? world? What am I watching? It's like a mosaic of insanity, chaos.
Just a piece of heat in my head.
The destruction of the Death Star. I think that's what's happening. All through one stormtrooper's point of view. That's dying, I guess. The chaos of what happened in the aftermath of A New Hope. Is that Mace Windu? What in the world is going on? The destruction of the Death Star, that's for sure. Okay. Like, through the eyes of the troopers during the destruction of the Death Star. The first Death Star. Was this on Hoth? Where? All right. Okay. All right. Episode 7, 8, and 9. With episode 7, just a smuggler trying to make his way through the galaxy. And then he comes up, a female comes up and gets offered a job in order to get her ship up and running. But yeah, eventually does accomplish his mission, and then it ends up getting a proposal, not a marriage proposal, but a proposal to join the rebellion and being able to smuggle, whether it be humans or supplies all across to the Alliance, Rebel Alliance. I think they were in Yavin. But anyways, let's go to episode 8, The Murder Paradise. It was like a Jedi, a Padawan, a Padawan learner learning to control her emotions, and she was her emotions were all over and trying to take down the Sith. Looked like a Inquisitor, but yeah, she was in way over her head, and her master was trying to teach her in order to control her emotions, but she wasn't having it, and then she ends up in this painting like struggle within her own mind. And then, but then by the end of the episode, she was able to control it. But where was the battle? So that left me hanging. And the last episode was trippy. I believe it's in the point of view of a dying stormtrooper in the aftermath of the destruction of uh, of the Death Star, duality of life and death, him coming to grips with his last moments of life, like his flashing back, and that moment of his death, of him dying, and so yeah, it definitely was a different episode. What a way to end that the season for season 3 of Visions. It was a psychedelic trip, mosaic, like chaotic. So yeah, and and his last moments of seeing his life flash before his eyes, how it started and how it during the middle of it and how it all ended. Like trying to reach out to his friends and yeah, and then his life slipping away like that, and work. It's like being when it's like is just a chaotic end to what started out as a peaceful existence in a sense, working for the Empire, but there is no peace when it comes to the Empire. But in any case, hope you enjoyed my reaction for the entirety of all my reactions to the episodes. Hope you enjoyed my reaction. If you enjoyed any of my content, whether it be my Inner Sanctum channel or YG Anime channel for all things anime, link right up there. Check that out. Help support both channels. Like I said, if you enjoyed either content for a channel, make sure hit that like, subscribe, hit the notification bell in order to be notified of any future videos being posted on either channel. And you should know all by now all my links located under this video. One of them being my early access, my Patreon to access any of my reaction videos you haven't seen as of yet that I haven't posted on your channel, and also my links to my 4 volumes of Sos as the Guru. I'm working on volume 5, and with that said, I hope there's a I hope there is Star Wars Vision season 4, because there's like to be continued, and I'd like to see more of those that chaotic mosaic of that trippy looking Star Wars episode of episode 9. So yeah. I'll more of that because it grabbed my attention. Certainly grabbed my attention. How about you? All right. In any case, tip my hat to you. A fist type high five. May the force be with you until next time. Hopefully for season 4 of Star Wars Visions. All right. Later.